My name is Paula. I'm studying Communication Sciences and Public Relations in Vienna. I've been a Powerpuff Girls fan since I was 3 years old, and I have quite a collection of Powerpuff Girl goodies. My superpower is writing. I published my first 2 books when I was only 13 years old, and these 2 books won the Assist Award for Creative Writing, which made it possible for me to spend 1 whole academic year in a private American high school. And I published my 3rd book last year. 3 female protagonists of all 3 of my books are 3 heroines based upon the Powerpuff Girls. One of them has a superpower of ice, one of them has a superpower of water, and one of them has a superpower of fire. But these powers are not to be taken literally, because they are 3 young females in the society, which face different kinds of problems and prejudice. They are discriminated against because people think that they cannot be rock and rollers, they cannot be productive parts of the academic community. However, they do not only prove everyone to be wrong, but they actually save the world. This book is called 4 Dimensions of the Rebellion, because they rebel against the oppressive society, which does not allow them to express their own individual talents. In my 2nd book, which is called Journey into the Unknown, these female protagonists travel through different times and spaces in order to encounter same problems over and over again, even on a different planet, even in the 14th century, also in the 18th century, and even also today. So they learn they have to stick to one another in order to be able to fully express themselves. Similarly, in my 3rd book, I placed my 3 heroines in a dystopian society where people are denied their human rights because they are only perceived as consumerists. They are only defined on what they consume, what they buy, what they eat, what they dress, and not who they are. And that's where these heroines come to scene, because they learn they have to be there for one another. They have to support other people who feel the same and who face the same problems, because every person in a society has a unique talent or ability. However, the society often does not recognize these abilities, and that's why in this internship I will write short stories as well as short comics, because my books were illustrated in kind of a comic book style, in which I will illustrate problems which individuals face in modern society and perhaps in some dystopian society, in order to show how absurd intolerance is, as well as to empower those individuals to be able to look for something which they are good at, to look for their inner superpowers and to work on them. Sometimes it's hard in the society to know who we really are and what our superpowers are if it's not encouraged, and that's why I will try to suggest some possible solutions to overcome these problems, as well as to empower the individuals who are facing them to pursue their dreams, to find out what they are good at, and to do it no matter what. It's okay to be different, it's okay to be special, it's okay to be unique, because how is the society going to progress otherwise? Thank you.